Hey girl, hey, so let's go ahead and jump right into this wig from HerWorthy Hair. This is their brown lace frontal wig and it has like some highlights or some blonde streaks. So this shall be a very interesting wig to install. Now this wig did come with pre-bleached knots and it came with a very lightly plucked hairline. And I love me a wig that comes with the elastic band and the elastic straps on the back. It just makes it super easy for the perfect install without having to use any glue. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. Alright, so let me tell y'all this. The first thing that I noticed with this wig is the fullness and the thickness on this wig. I was not expecting this type of fullness with a bob wig, but either way, I am here for it. So let's get into the parting space on this wig. Now this probably comes with like 4 inches of parting space. It does have lace from ear to ear. I don't have the details in front of me, but baby, girl, I ain't even cut the lace, but I literally cannot see it. Do you see the lace on my skin? Wow. Y'all, I have not cut this lace. That is crazy. This install is about to eat. So I couldn't really figure out if I want to do a middle part or a side part. So I think I'm going to roll with a side part. Okay, so I'm not even gonna hold y'all. The baby hairs was not baby hairing. Not on this part. So I end up trying to do like a little bit of baby hairs. And girl, no. I just went on the I went on ahead and brushed those hairs back into my hairline because I really wasn't feeling the look. But now looking back on camera, the baby hairs was totally fine. So anyways, now that I got the lace removed, it is time to tie the wig down and then move into straightening the hair. And so far, I pretty much like this wig. Again, I like the fullness that it offers. And I also love that this wig blends into my skin. Y'all saw the beginning of the video where it literally looked like my wig had no lace. So yeah, I'm here for it. Let me finish straightening my hair and I'll be back. Okay, so now that I got everything pressed and laid, I'm gonna go in and pluck this L part just to emphasize the parting space on this frontal a little bit more. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the headband down. And y'all, this wig hairline blends so much into my skin. It's crazy. I was a little nervous at first because the hairline isn't really plucked like that. But because the density around the hairline is not super thick or super full, it makes the hairline blend into my skin just super good. So yeah, girl, I'm gonna go in, finish styling the hair. I'm gonna trim the ends so that it's more like an even, clean look, and I'll be back to show you girls the final result. This wig turned out to be a really nice install. I'm not even gonna lie, at the beginning I was kind of nervous because the hairline wasn't pre-plucked, but like I stated earlier, the lace was like super transparent and the texture of this hair was very full, so I already knew that was going to give, but I just didn't know how the actual final install was going to look. And y'all, I love this wig. I will be wearing this wig for the next couple of days, so do not come for me if y'all see this wig all over my social media and be like, girl, when you gonna change hairstyles? Because girl, this wig really did it for me. So I'll have all the information below in the description bar. They are also having a sale right now, so make sure you check out that link and those coupon codes. Bye, girl.